Don't move. Hey, I just recorded you dancing. It was cute. Hey, can you say hi to the camera?
Hi.
Oh, she's gonna go again. Whoa. Okay, I want to see a happy face. Okay, I want to see a scared face.
I'll tell her. No, you won't.
Scared? Are you scared? Let me see a mad face.
I used to go to Sherwood.
Oh, that is such an angry face. Surprised?
So you guys are friends.
Ah! Wow.
Anywhere.
Okay. Hey, hold on.
I'm confused. Daddy and I used to date.
Say, what's your name?
What's your name?
No, tell me what your name is.
Remy.
Remy what?
Remy Isabel.
Okay, wait.
What's your middle
So
name?
you and Tori were like.
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
No.
Alexandra.
Alexandra Isabel.
Yes. How old are you?
Three.
Don't feel weird about this.
You really
How old are you?
broke up a
Three.
year ago.
Look at me.
Three.
And what?
January.
What's in January?
I'm totally cool
My
with this, we're
birthday.
friends.
And how old are you gonna be?
Well,
4.
it's not happy.
Okay. What you eating there?
Candy.
I apologize for
Let me see.
her.
Say bye bye.
Bye.